Understanding, lack conviction, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. We're going to explore a fascinating phrase, lack conviction. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering English, so let's dive in and discover what it means and how to use it effectively. Lack conviction is a phrase that combines two important words, lack, meaning to be without something, and conviction, which refers to a strong belief or opinion. When someone lacks conviction, it means they do not have strong beliefs or confidence in what they are saying or doing. This phrase is often used to describe a person's manner of speaking, actions, or decisions that seem hesitant or unsure. Let's see how lack conviction is used in everyday language. 1. In speech. 2. He said he was sorry, but he lacked conviction. 3. Her promises lack conviction. I don't think she'll follow through. 4. In writing. 5. The article lacked conviction, leaving readers unconvinced. 6. Despite her efforts, her argument lacked conviction. Understanding these examples helps in recognizing the use of lack conviction in various contexts. To use lack conviction correctly. 1. In negative statements. 2. It's commonly used to express doubt or skepticism about someone's sincerity or effectiveness. 3. With verbs. 4. Pair it with verbs like speak, sound, appear, or seem, to describe actions or expressions. 5. In constructive feedback. 6. When giving feedback, you might say, your presentation was good, but it lacked a bit of conviction. Understanding the phrase, lack conviction, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you express ideas more precisely. Remember, learning such phrases adds depth to your language skills. I hope this video has been helpful and you're now more confident in using lack conviction. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next session.